Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make bitter beans curry or Vaal curry. Now I have already shown a previous video on these same beans with a different recipe, and I'll put the link below in the description box where I have shown how to soak them, hydrate them, sprout and peel them. Now don't get overwhelmed by this lengthy process. It's really worth the effort. Let me show you how. Come on. These are the beans I'm using today. These are bitter beans or Vaal. Previously I have shown how to make these with a different recipe. These are sweet beans or paute. I have shown a recipe using these also. Today we are using these for the curry. Previously I have shown how to hydrate, sprout and peel them. Check the description box below for the link. Now let's see how to make the curry. This is how they look once they are sprouted and peeled, just like pearls. Let's make the green masala paste. Using fresh herbs and spices make a world of a difference. You can add more chilies if you like. A very little water to make a thick paste. This is how it should be. Let's move on to making the curry. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Try to use red onion if possible. We will saute it until golden. Now you can even use more paste if you like. The detailed recipe with the measurements is in the description box below, so do check it out. Now best part about beans is that they cook very quickly. Saute for 30 seconds. I have already added chilies in the paste, so add chili powder accordingly. A paprika will give a vibrant color to the curry. Saute for 30 seconds until spices mix. Add salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix and we are ready to cook. You can always adjust the consistency of the curry by adding more or less water as per your liking. Bring to a boil and cover and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Check in between the cooking to see if they are soft. Let's see if they are cooked. If these get easily mushed between your fingers when pressed, then they are done. Jaggery will balance the flavors of the curry. Garam masala will give a nice punch to the curry. And coconut milk will make the curry rich in taste and texture. Give it a good mix and we will cook for another 5 minutes for the flavors to integrate. The aroma has spread throughout the kitchen and it's wonderful. Now for a final garnish, and we are ready to serve this curry with some fresh steamed rice. Look at how lovely these look. I hope you like it. Let me know if you like this recipe in the comments below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.